Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 3x Periscope zoom and AI super zoom on Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to step through every single zoom. So 1x, 3x optical, also 6x, 10, 50, and 100x AI zoom. So let's open up the camera, and here of course we're just gonna skip it. No point in doing the ultra wide, although we can. So let me just place the phone like this, and of course this is gonna be our ultra wide result. So nothing out of the ordinary, simple 0.5. We're gonna do the 1 now, and of course I'm not gonna keep my phone inside of the camera right here. It'll probably be hidden like that because I want to take the best pictures, so I can do it from the same way as you guys can see. So I can zoom all the way into 50 and also 100, so you guys can definitely see the difference. So let's go ahead and start with 1. Now let me take a picture, and as you guys can see, that's how it looks like. It's pretty okay. The details are definitely here. You can see the details on the leaves. It's something that you cannot even spot with your eye, so it is really interesting how well it's gonna get once we reach for example 10x. So let's do the 2 now. Of course we are making the focus on the flower, and as you guys can see, it looks pretty much the same, maybe even better, but still it is just like that. So let's go over and do the 3x now, and this is the 3x optical. So we're gonna see the results. This is our result. Of course the photo may be a little bit enhanced by the AI. It's pretty much what every single phone does, but you can notice more details here. Here it does not look that great, but still we get the details. We can see every single mesh on the leaves, and that is something that I cannot even notice with my eye. So let's move on to the 6x zoom. So we're going deeper and deeper, and this is how it looks like. So you've seen the AI transition. It's pretty simple. As you guys can see, we're losing the quality. Definitely not as good as 2x or 3x, but the picture is still pretty clear. Now you will probably say that it's on 1x, just closer, but it's basically not. So now from the 6x, what are we going to do is we're going to go to 10, and from the 10, let's just take a picture. I even have to go further away because this is not going well in my lens. So this is the 10x. Now the 10x of course looks amazing, and I'm not sure how it works, but we also get a lot of the details. You can see the mesh here, and I cannot even notice it with my eye. So that's pretty insane. That's how the 10x works. And of course now we're skipping all the way to 50. So as you guys can see, once we have the 50, it's the super zoom pro mode, and this is basically also enhanced with the AI. So let me take a X50 picture. It's not gonna be as good as the others, but of course I'm gonna try and do my best. Here we have the 50x. You can see that this picture pretty much is AI now, and it is really AI, so it's much different. It's all polished, and that's how it basically looks. Now let's move on to the final boss of our video, which is 100x. So that might take me some time, but we're definitely gonna take this picture. So I took 3 pictures for reference. This is the first one, and this is how it looks now, but I'm pretty sure it will get better once the processing is done. Here we have other pictures. As you guys can see, it's already trying to get better. Here is also the 100x zoom. So you can see the polishes, you can see everything. There's not much of a detail here. As you guys can see, this picture was a little bit of a fail. And basically it's really hard to take a picture like that. As you guys can see, this picture is not even moved by the AI. So I'm pretty sure that this is the only good example that I do have. And our zoom is definitely polished. I can even try and take the 100x zoom of the OBS right now, so you will see how it looks. Now I'll put some words here, so you'll definitely see how it looks like. So I'm gonna take the OBS picture, and as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. Soon it should be done processing, and it also looks AI, but you can clearly see the point. And now let's take another one. For example, we're gonna take the word scenes, and as you guys can see, this cell looks like before, and now it is touched by AI. So that's how it works. The 100x zoom is just filled with AI. Not really sure how I feel about it, but still, it's a really great stuff for taking good pictures. So you can definitely see how the AI enhancement kicks in, and this is basically how you guys can use the 3x zoom, and also how you can use the 100x and 50x AI zoom. So we went through every single zoom here. That's how the results are looking like. So let's just go to photos, and we're gonna go straight into the first one. So here we have the 0.5. We got 1, 2, 3. Now we got the 6. Also the 10 now, and sorry, the 50 now. And here's just 100. Also 100 here and 100 here. So that's how it looks like. These are the results. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.